So today we have a salty. This salty was sent by a subscriber from Birmingham, England. So I have here your model and I will fix it right now. Now let's do a little test, and looks like the wheels are not working. So that means a gear or something is broken or missing. So we need to access the gearbox and remove everything to see what's going on. Okay, let's take a look right here. In a closer look, you see this gear is missing some parts, tooths, teeth, right over here. Okay, let's do another test to see how it looks. So what we need is to open the gearbox, and we need to find a replacement because the broken gear is no longer engaging the driving wheels or the axle, whatever you want to call it. And here is the one is broken, this one right here. So let's remove it. Let's see if this works. No, I need the pliers. This one should work. Yes, this one is better. See right there. Okay, I hope you can see it. It's toothless. There are only 5 tooths. 6, just 5. But anyways, we need a replacement. And from this gearbox, I guess the replacement, I get the replacements here, this one right here, and this is how it should look. Okay, so let's proceed. I'm gonna use my finger, my thumb, and push it in, and then we can help it get in place with the push of the pliers. Very gentle. Okay, now we can begin assemble the gearbox. Don't forget the one with the spring always get missed sometime. So I'm going to use my super white grease. A little drop here, and over there, and right here. And so this gear, this grease, you can get it at auto parts or you can order it online. I get it at my local auto parts, and I recommend you to look. It should say like lithium grease, and this one is safe for plastic gears. Make sure it's lithium grease. Or reading the description on the grease that it's for plastic gears. So what a big difference. Now it's working, and this gearbox is kind of quiet compared to other ones that are really noisy. So let's finish this up and do a test. And it's working perfectly. Excellent. So here is the broken part, and thanks for watching. Over and out.